Orders from all the customer. This is another one for almond. Now the frame is ready. It's waiting for assemble. This one is ready for shipping. For Yemen, we just finished testing. It is CZ Purlin Machine. This machine with pre-cutter and pre-punching. And nowadays, some customers want automatic, so they also choose the hydraulic decoiler and auto stanker to save labor. So we can make any type of manual one or automatic one, fully according to your request. Any question, please feel free to contact with me. Thank you.